As people of Mt Kenya, we feel disappointed because instead of telling us in terms of his development record on how he needs to bring all the leadership to people together, he talked about the churches and he maligned the churches. He talked about the churches being the recipient of corruption money. Sadly, we all go to churches to seek solace, to seek intercession through our preachers. But sadly, they were disparaged that they are recipients of corrupt money. His Excellency also talked about the Kamaro Dam corruption. Haji, in the last TV interview, he told us Kamaro Dam is a national project. A national project sits with the Treasury. The Treasury sits with the President. It does not sit with the Deputy President. However, nevertheless, the amount of money which was stolen or got lost under the arm of the presidency, not the Deputy President. Hawever, the President was trying to direct the conversation that the money went to a certain person in the person of Deputy President. And yet, Haji had said clearly in law that docket sits with the President. Two key officials in Uhuru's government were charged. But today, all of them have now been discharged because of simple reason. Number one, those cases were purely meant to close the eyes of Kenyans. Number two, of course, it would have been very dangerous to allow those people to give evidence because they would have removed documents to show who exactly sent for that money. And that evidence would clearly show that the signature, the authority came from the presidency.